Hello, today I will show you how to use Instagram mobile on your desktop. There is an option available wherein you can use the mobile version of your mobile Instagram on your desktop. Let's check out how do we do that. First up, start by opening the Chrome or Firefox browser. Once there, visit instagram.com or the desktop version of the website. I had already copied the URL, hence we are good to go. Now log in using your ID and password. Once there on the portal, right click anywhere on the page and click on inspect. Here, as you can see on the screen, inspect. So we click on that. Now we are in the developer tools of the web portal. Now browser offers developer tools. Now we need to click on an icon which resembles a mobile phone. So this smartphone icon, we click on this. Now we are on the mobile version of Instagram. This over here is the mobile version and it offers you all the functionalities available through mobile phone, wherein you can create and post images and videos on the portal. This is just like a mobile handset shows you an interface.